Hello students, welcome to another lecture of 3ds Max. In this lecture we will see some mapping modifiers, like how to map different objects and how to adjust them using mapping modifiers. Two modifiers we are going to see. One is UVW map and other is UV unwrap. So for example, let's create a simple box. Press M for material editor, assign material, and then click in front of diffuse. Another dialog box will open. With the help of that, you can select any image from your PC to apply it to the diffuse. So in this dialog box, select bitmap. You can browse the file. We have one file in pictures. This is number. So I have simply created one file in paintbrush with these numbers. Once you have applied the map, you can see these options. These are basically mapping options. To see the map in the viewport, you need to click over here, show standard material in viewport, and you can see the map being updated in the viewport. You can also change the tiling. Tiling means repetition, horizontal and vertical. If you set it to 3, we will have 3 repetitions horizontally. If you set it to 4, we will have 4 repetitions vertically, and likewise. Let's set it to 1 and 1 again. In case if you want to rotate, you can use these options. Give some angle and the texture will rotate. Let's keep it on 0. Now to go back to the previous options, click over here, go to parent. Now keeping this object selected, go to modify. Click on the modifier list and we will have UV unwrap and UVW mapping. So press on U and we have unwrap UVW and UVW map, these two modifiers. If you click on UVW map, the common normal modifier, then we will see these basic options in parameters, that is planar. If we are applying any map to a plane, then planar is used. Cylindrical, so the mapping is cylindrical. This is to adjust the map on a cylinder, but this is a square box shape, so box is better option in this particular case. Spherical, so this is spherical mapping, and this is gizmo, so you can select the gizmo and move to adjust the map. In this particular case, box is the more appropriate. You can also change the length, width and height. Now we will apply unwrap. In this particular case, I want to put only 1 over here, 2 over here and 3 number over here. So for that I will apply unwrap UVW. Then a button will be displayed, that is edit UV map, and another UV map editor will be opened. So click on open UV editor and this is the UV editor. It's like a viewport. You can middle mouse click and drag to see the panning. Now select everything. You can go to select and convert the selection to edge or polygon. Right now the vertices are selected. This is like we are looking at the object from top view. So click on convert vertex to polygon. Now all the polygons are selected. Then go to mapping and we have 3 types of unwrap. One is flatten mapping, normal mapping and unfold. If you go to flatten mapping, click on OK, all polygons will get separated. Mapping, normal mapping, and it will be like this, and if you go to unfold, it will be somewhat like this. So go to mapping and click on unfold. After that, click over here and select the map, the number map which we had put. Now suppose if I want to put number 1 over here, select this polygon and this is that polygon. If you try to move it, it is attached to other polygons. So you can always go to tools and click on break. Now you can move it separately. This is move tool, rotate, scale and freeform. In freeform, if you take it to this edge center, you can rotate it. You can scale it from the corners and you can move it from the center. If you want to over here, select this. This is number 2. We can also break this and scale it as per your requirement. If you want 3 over here, move it on 3. And adjust it.